In this interesting question, we have a circle with radius 5 cm and a regular hexagon with side length 5 cm with one of the vertex at the center of the circle. Using this limited information, we have to find value of this red line segment which is tangent to the circle. Let's check the solution. We know that for a regular hexagon, each interior angle is of 120 degrees. Let's draw this diagonal EC. Now in this triangle, this length ED and DC is 5 cm each. It's an isosceles triangle, so opposite angles are equal, and by angle sum property they will be of 30 degrees each. And as this full angle C is 120, so here this remaining angle is of 90 degrees. Now in this triangle, applying sine rule, that is A upon sine A is B upon sine B. Taking A as 5 and sine A, that's opposite to it, that's sine 30 degrees. So we get 5 upon sine 30 is EC upon sine 120. Putting the value of sine 30 as 1 by 2 and sine 120 as root 3 by 2 and solving it to get EC as 5 root 3 centimeter. So this diagonal length is 5 root 3 centimeter. So let's draw this diagonal AE. By symmetricity, both the diagonals are same. So this will be 5 root 3 centimeter. And this angle here, that will be 30 degrees. Now from point A, let's draw a perpendicular on EG. As EG is tangent, so this perpendicular is nothing but radius. And this radius is given as 5 centimeter. Now let's assume this angle here as angle alpha and this angle here as angle beta. Now if you look at the triangle EAH, in this triangle sine alpha, that's perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sine alpha is 5 upon 5 root 3, cancelling out 5, so sine alpha is 1 by root 3. Also here if we'll solve it by Pythagoras theorem, we'll get length EH is 5 root 2 centimeter and thus cos alpha will be 5 root 2 upon 5 root 3, cancelling out 5, so cos alpha is root 2 by root 3 centimeter. Now if we look for cos beta, now we know that here this full angle E is 120, out of which if we'll subtract this 30 and this 30, so we'll get alpha plus beta is 60 degrees, or we can say that beta is 60 minus alpha. So cos beta, that is cos 60 minus alpha. Applying formula here, that's of cos A minus B. So cos A minus B is nothing but cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now here putting the values of cos 60 degrees as 1 by 2 and cos alpha as root 2 by root 3. Same way sin 60, that is root 3 by 2 and sin alpha, that's 1 by root 3. Taking 2 root 3 as denominator, simplifying it, we'll get RHS as root 3 plus root 2 by 2 root 3. And cos beta, so in triangle EGC, we'll find that cos beta is nothing but base upon hypotenuse or 5 root 3 upon x. Now finding x by cross multiplication, we'll get x is 10 upon root 3 plus root 2, 30 upon root 3 plus root 2. Now rationalizing the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2, simplifying it, we'll get x as 30 times of root 3 minus root 2. Putting the values here, we'll get value of x as 9.54 centimeter, and that's our answer. I hope you enjoyed the solution. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.